This is the third course on this color series presentation. And so I want to spend some time to talk about color relativity and a yellow color side by side. So this was showing the color, the hue difference. And also there's another contrast here. It is like the chroma contrast. So the contrast of apple is a relatively high chroma, but the color on the background, which is a kind of brownish gray, so these two colors produce the chroma contrast. This gray cross on top of the purple, it look kind of yellowish, you know, a little bit brighter. And on the other hand, this purple, the gray color on top of yellow look purplish, getting stronger contrast. You know, this one getting more blue, this one getting more orange. So on the color wheel, if we establish the contrast axis, so the perceived orange and the blue color will be located here. So it means the orange one get pushed this way, getting more orange, and then blue get pushed this way to getting more blue. Okay, so we have two colors here, color A and the color B. Color A look much darker, but the color B, it look much lighter. Okay, so actually the reality is the A and B actually are the same color or the same grayscale. So the reason for that, you know, we can explain. So color relativity rules. Okay, so I made a little animation here. So if you have one color and another color, you bring these two colors together, what will happen? So they look like this. Means when you're getting these two colors together, the contrast or the separation distance became larger. Okay, so when two colors are put together, they repel each other along their contrast axis. From the surface, we see these colors are two different colors. However, in reality, they're not. They are the same, actually the same color. Almost all of these are grays, but you can see all kinds of colors here. You can see some yellow here, a little bit purple here, a little bit blue here. There's a reddish color, all of this. But actually, the color itself are very close. They're all gray colors. So I hope see you again, and we'll keep exploring this very challenging and exciting art world called color. Thank you very much. Bye now.